Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing great. My kids and I made this fried rice using leftover rice. It is so simple. We use some mushrooms. Let's get started. Have a good day. Okay, now. Good. Put it in there.
Dump the whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Use your hand to rake it out of it.
That's it?
Yeah. Make sure you get everything out. Okay.
Okay.
Get the spoon and stir it.
Okay.
Stir it a little bit. So we can let it cook a little bit. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, because that's the mushroom. Gotta let the mushroom cook a little bit. Okay? Yeah. Okay.
Can I try now?
Okay, you put the water there. You gotta pour a little bit more water this in so it can cook for a few minutes. Okay. You're gonna let it simmer for a few minutes and then you put the rest of the stuff in it, okay? And then we'll put the rice, okay? Get the peppers, put it in.
All of it?
Only one stick.
Okay. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's huge. Wait, uncheck.
Okay, good job. Just dump the whole thing in there.
Can I do it?
Look at it.